So here is a large plant of Camellia grisjii, which has been out since probably late December. The last few flowers are showing up here, and they've got a lovely scent, or they had a lovely scent 6 weeks ago. Now, as you can see, this plant has had a bit of a trouble with the winter, and a storm has half detached these two shoots from the base. The third shoot is fine, but these two are wobbly, and you can see that the foliage is about to die off, and we need to do something about this. So when I look, I think probably these two side shoots have probably still got some root attached to them, but not enough to support that much foliage. So what I'm going to do is just reduce the size. So that's actually quite wobbly. I think I'll take it down a bit lower, and I probably need a saw to do that. So I'm going to go down to just about 5 or 6 inches. There's some root there, but not enough. And what I want to do now is to prevent this problem happening again. So I'm going to put in a big new stake and tie for the nice bit of this camellia which is still left upright. So what we're going to do is to try and tie in the principal and tallest stem in a way that will ensure that it doesn't wave around in the wind. So I've got one of these nice new clip ties. There we are. So if the wind blows now, that post is firm. I might just give it another bang or two. And what we've done is we've stabilized the plant. We've removed the foliage which was going yellow and dying, and we hope that that bit which we've cut off will reshoot again from the base. It'll look a bit lopsided to start with, but after a bit it should be fine. We can keep the rabbit guard in place, although it's probably not entirely necessary, but it will also serve to support the tree, and hopefully in a couple of years fresh roots will have established and we can take the tie off. A spring job, well worth doing, quite quick, but you need the right equipment.